What happens to fruit after harvest can decide how fresh, tasty, and safe it is by the time it reaches your plate. That's where post-harvest management comes in, the science that keeps fruits at their best during storage and transport. Fruits go through different stages. Horticultural maturity is when a fruit is ready to harvest for use, while physiological maturity means it can still ripen even after picking. Then comes ripening, when fruits naturally change in color, flavor, and texture. One of the key things to manage is the air around the fruit. Normal air has about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 0.04% carbon dioxide. But fruits breathe, and they use oxygen and release carbon dioxide, which speeds up ripening. So, by lowering oxygen and increasing carbon dioxide, we can slow this process. This is done using modified atmosphere packaging or controlled atmosphere storage. Modified atmosphere uses special films to adjust gas levels around the fruit. Controlled atmosphere goes further by precisely controlling oxygen and CO2 in sealed rooms, often reducing oxygen to around 1% for fruits like apples. But going too low can cause fermentation, which spoils the taste. That's why dynamic controlled atmosphere (DCA) systems are used. They monitor fruit condition and adjust the air in real time to reduce stress. Another key player is ethylene, a natural gas that speeds up ripening. Fruits like bananas and tomatoes are especially sensitive. Even small amounts can trigger ripening too early. To manage ethylene, we either remove it using ventilation or natural materials like clay or activated carbon, or we block its effects. The biggest breakthrough? 1-methylcyclopropene, a safe compound that blocks ethylene receptors, helping fruit stay firm and fresh. New tools like ozone are also being used, obtaining a natural gas that reduces ethylene and kills microbes without harmful residues. Temperature also matters. Cooling slows respiration, but some fruits can get chilling injuries if it's too cold. The goal is to keep each fruit at its ideal temperature to maintain quality. By combining temperature control, gas management, and ethylene regulation, we can deliver fruit that's fresher, safer, and longer lasting, with less waste and better taste. Next time you enjoy a crisp apple or a ripe banana, remember, it's smart science keeping every bite fresh and tasty. More videos are on the way to boost your learning, so stay with us on this journey. Share your thoughts and let us know what topics you'd like to see next in the comments. Thanks for watching.